Again, open the search menu and type Settings. From the results, click on Settings to open it. In the Settings window, select Apps from the left panel, then click on Installed Apps on the right side. Search for Microsoft Teams in the list of installed applications. Click on the three-dotted icon next to Teams and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. If the app isn't working correctly, you can try repairing it first by selecting Repair. This process won't affect the app's data. If the issue persists, return to the Reset section and select Reset. Keep in mind that this will permanently delete the app's data on your device, including your preferences and sign-in details. After resetting, relaunch Microsoft Teams and check if the problem is resolved. If the issue remains, try an additional step. Open the Start menu, type Internet Options, and click to open it. In the Internet Options window, go to the Advanced tab, scroll down to the Security section, and if the options for Use TLS 1.0 and Use TLS 1.1 are not checked, mark them. Then, click Apply and OK to save the changes. For your information, Microsoft does not recommend enabling TLS 1.0 or 1.1, as these protocols are outdated and may pose security risks. Enable them only as a temporary troubleshooting step, and consider disabling them after resolving the issue to maintain security. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.